Alright, hello my beautiful gorgeous babes, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, thank you so much for tuning in today. But in today's video, I'm going to be doing my Ipsy Glam bag ultimate unboxing. I thought I would share this with you guys. This is a new subscription for Ipsy, so I thought it'd be very informative and let you guys know whether it was worth it or not to go up to the next level in a subscription with Ipsy. And I did try to add a little bit of fall flavor in the back. It's literally just a pumpkin and a sign, but hey, I'm trying here, okay, to get in the fall spirit and all that. And if you do like this look, I did film it. I tried to get ready all about my trip, so do check that out. I'll put it up in the corners, like somewhere in the corner, so you can check that video out, and I'll put it in the description as well. But before I go on forever and ever, let's just jump into the video. All right, Ipsy Ultimate. Let me pose for the thumbnail. Anyways, so Ipsy Ultimate is like their biggest subscription they have now. They have Ipsy Glam Bag, and they have Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and now Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate. If you guys don't know, it's a monthly beauty subscription. The smallest subscription is like deluxe samples. That goes, I think, for $10 a month. And then they have Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, that's $25 a month. That includes 5 full-size products. And then now they have Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate, which is 8 full-size products, 4 deluxe samples for $50 a month. So it's getting a little bit more and more inexpensive as you go. But I did want it to give, I can't speak English obviously today, but I wanted to give Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate a try because I've been loving my Glam Bag Plus is what I normally have, and I thought, oh my god, extra product, maybe this is gonna be super amazing. You know, it's $50, so I was expecting like to get some high-end products in here and some stuff I never seen, thinking it was gonna be different. But sadly it was not. And spoiler alert, I don't think this box was worth the $50, and I don't know if it's because it's their first time doing Ipsy Ultimate and there was some kinks in it, and it'll get better and better as they go. But unfortunately, I was not happy or excited about my spoilers. They usually let you see what you're gonna get in your bag on the 2nd of every month, and they do let you customize one item in the box, and you are also able to do add-ons of makeup and skincare products that are heavily discounted to your bag. But I don't know, I was expecting to see different stuff, see more high-end, have it be a little bit more interesting because you are paying double the price from the Glam Bag Plus. And you know, it seems more beneficial just to get 2 Glam Bag Plus, because then you get 10 full-size products, and in the Glam Bag Ultimate you only get 8 full-size products, and you get 4 deluxe samples. And not everybody really wants to get deluxe samples, but I just wanted to give it a try to see if I thought it was worth the $50, and it wasn't. And that's just my opinion. You may have gotten Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate and ultimately loved it, but everyone has different preferences and what they expect, and it just didn't meet my expectations, I guess. Maybe I hyped it up a little bit too much. That's maybe my fault. Anyways, it does come with a makeup bag. All of these subscriptions do. It is Betty Boop themed. They did like a Betty Boop Ipsy like collaboration where they came out with some makeup products in this makeup bag, so they did include this in everybody's bag this month. I think the smaller subscriptions bag is different, but it's okay. It's not my aesthetic, it's not my style. Like, I'm not big on the sequins, but it's cute overall. It just doesn't do it for me. I mean, makeup bags don't get me excited like makeup products and skincare products. And then I'm going to show you guys the thing that I customized. This is the product that I picked in the box. This is the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I have used this before. I bought it before. I've also got it in BoxyCharm. I think it's a great makeup removing balm. I've already had it and used it before, so I wasn't super excited, but I wasn't enthused by any of the other options, so I went with this one because I know it works for me and I've been happy with the product, so I ended up picking that one. And then I'm going to show you the things that I added onto my box, and this is where the hiccup happened. They ended up sending one of the products from some, not one of them, they ended up sending me a different product from what I had added on to my bag. And I've been reading a lot of comments and stuff about people getting the wrong items in their box this month and having issues where they're showed one type of products and then they get totally different products in their box, and people having missing items and things. So I don't know if it was just because the rollout out of this, it caused more stress and more hiccups to happen because it was a new thing that they were doing. But I did add on the Botanic Beauty butter lip and cheek balm in the shade Peach Blush. It's like a balmy texture, and I wanted to give it a try because I've been getting more into cream face products and I love peachy blushes, and I like that it's like a multi-use item. You can also put it on the lips, but this is what the shade looks like. It's just a nice peachy cream blush, and it doesn't feel like it dries down pretty quickly and kind of goes more like dries down into a powder formula. So I thought that was awesome. I think this was a $3 add-on. And I also added the Purlisse Blue Lotus brightening serum that's supposed to help brighten and even skin tone, reduce dark spots, all that good stuff. This is good for all skin types, even sensitive. But I do like Purlisse, that brand, a lot. Everything I've gotten from them I've really enjoyed, like their body lotions. I have an SPF moisturizer that I love, so I decided to pick this up because you can never have enough serums, and I do suffer a lot from acne scarring and dark spots on my face, so I'm always down for trying something new. And then this is the product that I wasn't supposed to get. This is from Nomad Cosmetics in the shade Balmoral Beach, I think it's the shade. I don't know, it's this Kiss of Sun highlighter. And what I had originally added to my bag was from Tarte. It was one of the chrome paint pots that they have in like a chromey copper, and I've heard so many good things about those like shadows from Tarte, so I wanted to give them a try and to add it for $12, which is a lot less than what it normally was. I was so excited about, so I was bummed when I ended up getting this product instead, but it is still really pretty. It's like a pinky highlight, and I do like Nomad Cosmetics. I got a palette from them last month and I think it's beautiful, but the highlight is gorgeous. And I did contact customer service and they are sending me a new one, so I was really happy and relieved that they were so quick and responsive in fixing the issue. So I really do appreciate that. So I do give us a thumbs up to customer service. I've already gotten tracking, so it is on its way. So I was happy about that, and hey, I ended up getting an extra product in my box, so go me. You know, sometimes there's positives that come out of negative outcomes, you know, or negative things can produce positive outcomes. That's how I like to live. I like to stay positive and not be a super negative person, so hopefully this video is not coming off negative. But I did get the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsession palette, and I have received one of these palettes before in my box in the Glam Bag Plus, so I was expecting different products, not just to get the same type of product but different shades. And that's where I'm saying these are products you would see in your Glam Bag Plus, and I was just expecting different stuff for the heftier price tag, you know what I'm saying? But these are products that I could have just got by getting 2 Glam Bag Pluses and gotten 10 full-size products instead. But the shade, like, story here is so beautiful. It's perfect for fall. I love Huda Beauty eyeshadows. I think they're great quality, so I'm not unhappy that I got this, but I was expecting to see different items. That's honestly what I'm trying to get the point across here. Then I did get the from their Betty Boop collaboration, the Cheek to Cheek blush palette, and it's a pretty palette. It's kind of like on the pinky tones here. 2 of them have shimmer in it, and this one is a matte. But honestly, like, how many people's skin is this gonna work for? So not everybody is a fair medium skin tone, and I feel like if you have a darker complexion, I don't know how well these would show up on the cheeks. Even swatching them, they swatch very light, and that's unfortunate. You know, you want to be able to include more skin tones in here. Like, look how light they swatch on the skin. I mean, this is not going to work for everybody's skin tone. So if you had a darker complexion, you got this in your box, you may not be so happy because it's so light on the blush and it doesn't have a lot of pigmentation. Maybe you can build it up. I mean, I have to give it a try. But I was about that product. And then I did get the BioRace moisturizing serum right here. I don't mind getting serums. I love getting them actually, because usually serums are an expensive skincare product, and this is one to just be more of a hydrating formula that helps kind of plump the skin. So down for that. I was actually happy with this. Then I also got the this brush trio from, I think it's from Fair Brushes. I love getting brushes and subscriptions, so I was super happy about this because brushes are another thing I don't like to have to spend money on. So if I can get them in subscriptions, I'm really happy. This is called like their midnight collection, and they do have like a blue tint to the brushes with the bristles is what I'm trying to say, and they're very soft. So I'm very happy with this cheek brush. I can't speak today. This is the stippling brush, a cheek blush, and this says it's a straight brush. Oh my god, I can't speak. Let me stop before I get worse. And then I think the rest of them are the deluxe size products that we got. Oh wait, no, I forgot about this. I also got the Obsidian eyeliner from Kaleido Cosmetics, which is more of a budget friendly brand. I think this goes for like $7, something like that. It's just a liquid eyeliner. I haven't really opened it, but wasn't too excited about that because I was expecting to see mainly higher end products in my box. That's just me. That's just how I roll. And then for the, oh, I think this might also be a full-size product. This is the Sesmoy. I don't know how to say this. I think it's in French, but it is a like shimmery lip gloss, and it's really pretty. I actually already tried this on my lips, and it is not a sticky formula at all. Doesn't really have a scent, but it's just a nice shiny like gloss with like a little bit of shimmer in it. I do really like this because it's not sticky, and it made my lips feel super moisturized when I put them on. So I'm happy with that. And then I think the rest are the deluxe size products. So I got the clay mask from iBalm. It's the Lemon Verbena clay mask. Deep cleanse pores. I mean, it's kind of on the small side, so I don't know. I mean, I think you could get a good amount of masks out of these to actually know whether you like the product or not, but I do love getting masks. And then I got the Color Rain single eyeshadow in Glamour, which I think is super pretty, and whew, my camera's about to die. But it's like a champagne-y like shade that most people will like. Majority of the people will like. I think that would probably do really well as a highlighter as well. But it feels really nice to the touch. Then I got the Stila Creme de la Creme, or is it Creme de la Creme? The very best cream. It's like a hand cream, or you can use all over your body actually. But it's fun. I think this is something you just throw in your purse, and it has like a light citrusy scent to it, so I'll probably just take this to work with me because my hands always get really dry at work. Alright, of course, my camera decided to die. That is the struggle of anybody who does filming. Usual story. Anyways, I think the last thing I was talking about was the Unicorn Glow Longwear Primer. This is formulated with jojoba oil and shea butter. Now, I'm an oily skin type. I always say this all the time. I tend to avoid any kind of products that have oil in it when it comes to doing makeup because I just produce my own oils. I don't need the help. So this is probably something I would use more like a skincare item or a standalone product to moisturize the skin. But hey, this is good for travel, I guess. I'm not super excited. The last items I got in my box was these 2 sheet masks from the brand called Sayum, I think it's called, how you pronounce it at least. And this is a protective mask with shea butter extract, an ingredient that improves dryness and sensitiveness for skin strengthened and energized appearance. Okay, cool. And this is the natural shea butter mask sheet. And then I got the natural avocado mask sheet. And this is supposed to be deeply moisturizing and nourishing and infused with avocado extract. I do like getting sheet masks, definitely for travel, like throwing this in your bag if you feel like your skin feels dehydrated from traveling or you need like a detox mask. So these are cool to get, I guess, right? Anyways, guys, I wasn't super enthused by this box. You guys can tell. I try not to be super negative on this channel. I didn't want to come across that way. I hope I didn't. So honestly, I had to refilm this video because I felt like I was too negative in the last one that I tried to film for this. But just in general, for me, this was not worth it. I wasn't super excited about the products that I got here. Honestly, I was really just excited about these brushes, and I think really that's it. Besides my add-ons, I wasn't really super enthused by pretty much most of the things in this box. So I did end up canceling the box. It just decided it wasn't for me. Maybe it will get better over time. But I went back to Glam Bag Plus because that's just something I really have been enjoying and liking my products from. So I decided to go back to that instead. Anyways, guys, that was it for this video. Leave your comments, questions below if you have any, or if you loved your ultimate bag, if you got one, or your Ipsy stuff, let me know. I love hearing from all of y'all. I do have other social media platforms, especially my Instagram is the main one that I use. So do check that out. I would love to have you guys join me there as well. And give me a thumbs up if you're enjoying these kind of videos and all that good stuff. But until next time, bye guys.